all the employers in Hong Kong. Have a good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Risalyn Paringit, 33 years old, married, and I have 4 children, ages of 13, 11, 10, and 2 years old. I have 4 siblings, 3 girls and 1 boy. My parents are both deceased. I'm undergraduate in college and my course is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. I'm fast learner, trustworthy, honest, and hardworking. My work experiences in abroad is I worked in Kuwait for 2 years as a nanny and tutor. My employers are both Kuwaiti nationalities and they only have 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children ages of 8 years old and 10 years old, both boys. My main duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the 2 children, prepare their meals and needs before going to school, to help them doing their school homework activities and teaching them in basic English lessons. We do also doing sports activities like playing tennis, badminton, and swimming lesson. I do also doing household chores like cooking Arabian food, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cleaning the house. My second work experiences is I work in Dubai for 2 years as a nanny and tutor, and my employers are both Emirati. They only have 3 family members of the house, 2 adults, and they only have 1 child. She is 5 years old girl. My main duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the child, prepare her meals and needs before going to school, teaching her in basic English lesson, and we do also playing soccer, badminton, chess, and we do swimming lesson. I do also household cleaning the house, ironing clothes, washing car, cooking Emiratis food, and ironing clothes. I hope that employers in Hong Kong will choose my application and being part of your family. Thank you and goodbye.